What's up, everybody? Well, it's been a while, but I'm finally back. It's been a few months. It's been a little crazy, but back making videos again. This is the newest mask I acquired about a month or so ago. It is my A.M Creations Tommy 3.0 silicone mask with actual human hair. Bought this mask from a friend. He actually was the one who hand punched the real human hair in the mask. His name's Trevor Nelsen. Before I get started on this mask, if you do own any sort of Leatherface mask that you want real human hair hand punched in there, contact him through Facebook. His name's Trevor Nelsen. Put his name in the description. He does real good work. Anyway, to get started, this mask is a little bit darker than what the screen used mask really looks like. I'm fine with that. I actually like how this mask turned out. I like a little darker color. I think it looks, even if it's not as screen accurate, I do think it looks a little bit more scarier or whatnot. Addison, the sculptor, very, very talented guy. And with that silicone, it adds like a wet kind of look. Gives it more of a like actual skin look. Using all natural lighting, so hopefully it'll pick up the details in it. Real stitching throughout the mask, it's not just sculpted in there. See if I can turn it so I can get a little bit more better look at it on this side. You got some really good color in this mask. Like I said, I know that this isn't like screen accurate paint job. It is a little bit darker, but I think it turned out really good. And the hair, it's all different colors. I would say the hair is the most authentic part of the mask besides the actual sculpt. True to the original. It's got a lot of brown, red, black, and he actually added some gray in there a little bit, which is screen accurate. I really like the part, the hair part with the stitching right there. I am a really big fan of the remake. It's one of the only remake movies I like. And also I have it on my display stand. I'll be doing a video on that. Got all my Leatherface masks on these stands now instead of just regular foam heads. Makes the mask look a lot better, display them a lot better. And if I could gripe about one thing about this mask, it would only be right here on the eye. If you look at the actual screen used mask, it kind of drops a little bit lower. But other than that, I wouldn't really gripe too much about this mask. I like it. I like the paint job. I really like the silicone. The silicone adds that real gross kind of wet look. Really makes it look like it's actual skin. So, really happy to add this mask to my collection. This is probably the best remake mask that I've owned. happy to add a high quality one to the collection. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. I got a couple more masks to review. Have a good one.